So I have this twin bed in my guest room with no headboard. Looks pretty boring, doesn't it? I knew a trip to the electrical department at Lowe's would give me the supplies I needed for an industrial-looking headboard that I wanted. But before I left, I measured the bed to determine how much piping or conduit I would need. I also picked up a new tool. This is a pipe cutter which cut all of my pipe like butter. You just attach it to your pipe and rotate it until it's cut. For stability, I bought 2 wall flanges to use as feet. I attached the pipe to the bed frame using conduit brackets and then slid the conduit into the feet. For the top bar of the headboard, I used conduit clamps to attach the pieces together, along with T's for the middle piece. I made sure everything was leveled and then screwed all the pieces together. So now I had a simple industrial looking headboard frame, but I didn't want it to be open, so I decided to dress it up. And I bought grass cord and wove it around the frame in a very simple pattern. I also used ribbon that I had on hand and gave the headboard some added color and texture. I hope this inspires you to create a headboard that is uniquely yours.